All right, so how can Protector help you? Now, when you have your carpet clean, that's the best time to have Protector put on your carpet. And the reason is it's clean, it's gonna accept the fiber protector, and it's gonna help make spots and spills easier to clean up. Okay, so like there's some Coke. Let's get some red dye in here. Okay, now those could sit there for a long time with our protector before you can clean out, because most people, they don't notice that they spill something and it sits there for at least a little while. But once you finally do find that spot, you'll notice, you see how this is like real bubbly? It's because the protector creates what's called surface tension on the fiber, and it keeps that stain from traveling into the carpet. So let's go ahead and blot up the spot. Okay, you see there's just a couple little drops here left. Just blot the spot, and boom, it's gone. So again, the protector doesn't wear out. It stays on there. It stays on there typically for a year or more, depending on your traffic. And how that can really help you is when you have kids and pets, you know, you're not going to get your carpet clean on the dot, but you also don't have to worry about your carpet protectant wearing out after you spill one thing. And look, even those two, staining materials are mixing there. All you have to do is blot it up. The protector will keep working until it's damaged. Also, the protector can't be cleaned out. It has to be worn out. So if you guys are looking for premium protection for your carpet and you want to have this kind of cleanup every time that you have a spot or a spill, definitely give us a call. 814-547-1848. And with every service you get a bottle of spotter from us here at C&S Cleaning. It's a home pro spotter. Okay, it is professional strength. We do use this on our customers' carpets when we need to. And you'll also see this CRI symbol. And this product is certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute. It says seal of approval right there. So you get one of these free with every one of your services. So if you have trouble getting that spot out that's in your carpet, you can go ahead and use this product. And if this doesn't get it out, then just give us a call. We'll come over and take care of it, or catch it on your next cleaning. So thanks guys, and I'll talk to you later.